In this video, we'll explore an interesting phenomenon using 3D graphics. As we know, solids and liquids expand when heated. Let's try an interesting experiment. First, we'll heat a metal ball. As it heats up, it expands. Other objects will also expand when heated. Now let's heat some water. As you can see, water also expands when heated. Its volume increases. This property of water, expanding when heated, can be put to practical use. For example, we can create a water pump that uses the effect of water expansion to pump water. It will be a simple mechanism consisting of basic components and will operate without any motor or electricity. This requires check valves. These valves will allow water to flow in only one direction. Through one valve, water will only be able to enter the pump. And through the other valve, water will only be able to exit the pump. When heated, the water will expand and begin to move in one direction. This is the pipe through which water will flow from the pump. And this is the water source. The entire pump chamber must be filled with water. When heated, the water expands and exits the pump through the pipe via the outlet valve. The external water from the source cools the outlet section of the pump, and the water inside the pump is partially cooled, causing it to contract. The water pressure in the pump decreases. As a result, the external water from the source is drawn in through the inlet valve. I suppose it works much like a Stirling engine. And on top of that, there's the effect of the steam produced. The newly incoming water mixes with the water inside the pump and is heated again. The cycle repeats. Water will flow out of the pump in small portions. The water flow at the outlet will be pulsating. It's easy to build this pump yourself. The materials and components needed for this are readily available. As shown in the video, it's easy to build a pump that works without electricity. A metal pipe bent into a spiral will heat up effectively from a heat source and transfer thermal energy to the water inside the pump. Any standard plumbing check valve can serve as the check valve. All other pump components are also standard plumbing parts. Another pipe, coiled into a spiral, will serve as a cooler for the outgoing water. It is important to remember that the pump must be filled with water before heating begins. Heating has begun, and the water is flowing upward in a pulsating stream. And what do you think? Is it possible to use a free, natural energy source? For example, heating water in the pump using the sun. Most likely, a larger working water volume will be needed. To enhance the effect, it's better to use a container of a color that absorbs heat more efficiently. And, again, don't forget to fill the working container with water. What do you think about this? Write about it in the comments. It's very interesting to hear what viewers think about this.